The diagram below shows the volume measurements of three objects X, Y, and Z when they are placed in a cylinder of water. Based on the diagram, which of the following statements are true? Now, before looking at the options of A, B, C, or D, first I will record the volumes respectively. So looking at the first column, the amount of water is actually 30 cm cube. Now when the X is actually added in, it becomes 50 cm cube, which means that the X is actually 20 cm cube. That's because 50 minus 30 will give me 20. Now when I add in the Y in addition to the X, it becomes 85. So to find the volume of Y, I just need to use 85 minus 50, which will give me 35 for the Y. Now then I added in the Z, which you cannot, the cup here, okay, Z. And the volume actually increased to 115 cm cube. So in order to find the volume of the Z, I just need to use 115 minus 85. So 115 minus 85 will give me 30. So which means that Z is actually 30 cm cube. So let's look at the options now. A says both the water and object Z have the same volume. So the water is over here, water is 30 cm cube and Z is also 30 cm cube. So yes, A is correct. B says both objects Y and Z have volumes that are greater than X. X has a volume of 20, which we have written there, and Y is 35, so X is 20, Y is 35, and Z is 30 cm cube. So all these are in cm cube, and yes, both Y and Z have volumes that are greater than X. The water occupies more space than object X. Now, the water occupies more space than object X because the water has a volume of 30 cm cube and object X is 20 cm cube. Therefore, yes, the water occupies more space than object X. The total volume of object X, Y, and Z is 115. If we were to add X, Y, and Z, it will give us an amount of 60 plus 20, 85 cm cube. So this is not correct. The total one is only 85, not 115. Therefore, the answer would be number 3.